Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for August 22nd. We're going to start with the SPY. We are moving above that bullish above level. I sent out a pre-whisper notification this morning. I'm only going to be bearish below 291.75. Looks like it wants to tag the 50 simple moving average, also the 30 simple moving average right there. So really love this trade setup. We're going to go to the E-minis as well. Very similar chart, except you can see the 30 simple moving average is before the 50. So on the E-minis, 29.40 could give you a little bit of trouble, and then if it can break above that, we have all the way to 29.60. Love that trade setup. Let's go to the Russell. All right, the Russell, we're going to be bullish. I'm not as crazy about the Russell, to be honest. Yeah, you can see why. There's a lot of resistance right here. So there is a short trade from right now 150.75 to 151. If it can break above this area of resistance, then there's room to go. But that's going to be a little bit tougher in that spot. We're going to be bearish below 149.60. Let's go to the QQQs. The Qs are going to be bullish above 189. We just went above that right now, and bearish below 187.75. Let's take a look at this chart as well. Yeah, we do have a little bit of resistance right here at 189.50. But if we can break above that, there's a lot of room to go to the upside for the Qs. And we'll just go to the NASDAQ futures quickly. Bullish above 77.50. Just went above that. Bearish below 77.25. The Dow E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 26.250. We just went above that. Trades really well on the $25 increment levels, as you can see. Right, we went right up to it. We touched this 26.275 and then pull back down. So yeah, if you trade the Dow mini futures, yeah, those are definitely your best levels to trade. Bearish below 26.100. And oh, let's go to the oil futures. Hold on a minute. Let me just pull those in here. All right, the oil futures, we're going to be bullish above 56. Oops, did not mean to do that. 37. I'll make it a little bit bigger for you. Yeah, we're going to be bullish above, we just had a pretty big volume spike right here. 56.37, we're going to be bullish above, and bearish below 55.80. All right, so just draw a couple bullish. You see there's a lot of room there, and then there's a lot of room there. That's why I love this. Looks like a really good trade setup. Gold. Yeah, we got to talk about gold. We are below a lot of dark pool sell prints on GLD, especially IAU. So it looks like we're finally tipping over. Let me get to the weekly chart. Yep, we've up thrusted. We were talking about this yesterday in the training pit. And it looks like we want to come down to this trend line, right about this 1480, 84 area, 86. Yeah, wherever that lands, that's going to be support, the first test. Then, of course, if it can't hold there, look out below. So I do have some levels. Hold on, let me just move this over here. And let me just punch up gold futures. Yeah, so you can kind of see it on this daily chart as well. So yeah, we do have some support right here with some moving averages, but really 1487.50, that's going to be a key level. And then if we can't hold that, 1475, but we are below the 8 EMA, and we are below a lot of massive sell prints on GLD. So let's get to that. Yeah, if we close weak below that 141 level, that's key. Because you can see, look at all, I'm just going to bold these. Yeah, we had 1.1 million, 142.59, another 700,000 at 143, 44, another 2.2 million, 142.92. See all these? This last one, 141.05, we just went below. So that is bearish if we stay below all those levels. Bullish if we go above 142. Always want to be prepared, but it's not looking pretty. Let's go to Nobe. This used to be Nobe. Guys trade this stock when it was N-O-B-E. Kind of missed those days. But now it's JWN, and looks like they had some earnings. And who's shopping there? Looks like some people are shopping there. That's actually a pretty expensive department store, but look at the stock. It's really been hammered. So even bad earnings can lift this thing up right now. That's usually what happens when things have been really crushed. So we're going to be bullish above 29.50. It may go up and tag this 50 simple moving average. We'll look at that trend trade. But it looks like it's retracing. Can't quite stay up there. So bearish below 28.50. We just went below there. There was a buyer there on the ARCA book. And yeah, it looks like he's not there anymore. Let's see, 28.35. He might have moved down. He could be spoofing. Yeah, they do that. So keep an eye on that guy at 28.35 if you're going to trade Nordstrom's. Let's go to DKS. DKS, we're going to be bullish above 38 and bearish below 36, up 75, just dipped below there. There was a big buyer at 36.45. Looks like he couldn't hold it up. Yeah, big seller at 38.50 on the book. Yeah, and sometimes they do move around in the morning, which it looks like they are. Let's go to AMD. AMD, really watching this one like a hawk. We had a lot of big prints recently in this area, 31.89, 31.98. We're still in between. If we close above 32, I love this one on the long side. However, if we go below 31.40, that's going to be a short for AMD. Let's go to Apple. Apple, we're going to be bullish above 213.50. Have a high-end target of around 215.08 and bearish below 211.50. BJ, I know it's retail earnings. And yep, BJ's did very, very well. It looks like, again, I don't look at the earnings. I just look at the price action. So they like their earnings. Going to be bullish above 25. That's a really key level. See if we can go above that when the market opens. Bearish below 23.75 for a retracement trade. And let's go to BAC. We had tons of prints still coming in yesterday on XLF. So which means they weren't done entering their position. So BAC, I'm going to be bullish above 27.22. Thank you, E-Man, for letting me know of that recent print at 27.02. We are above that. We do have some big prints above us from over here, but we are above that 27.02 and 26.83 print we got yesterday. So this is going to be interesting. Look where we are, right? So there's room if we can break above here, and then there's room if we go down here. This is a very tough spot to trade in between the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average. So wait for that to make a move. I don't know if it's going to happen before Friday. Might be next week, but we'll be prepared. We got a big print on XLK, the technology ETF yesterday. 500,000 share print at 80.06. So we're going to be bullish above 80.50. You can see the sky is the limit. Yeah, this really lovely, nothing above it. No resistance. I love that. However, if we do start to trudge down, I'll be bearish below 79.85 for a retracement trade, but the upside trade looks really nice for XLK. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for August 22nd. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.